So in this video we got the Neo 2. I'm using my RC2 controller, and what I'm going to show you in this video is how to use, well, how to do the cruise control. Now the cruise control, all it is really is you flying in a straight line, but you can turn the directions, but that drone, even though letting go of your stick, will still keep going. So the first thing you need to do is obviously set it up onto your buttons on the back of your controller, because that just makes it so much easier, guys. So what we need to do is go into settings, we then go over to control, we then scroll down till we get to button customization, and you need to tap on that, and then you're going to see the C1 and the C2. Now interestingly, obviously I haven't got it set up because I'm using the Neo 2. It can't do waypoints. Now usually I use the C1 button for waypoints, but we're going to use the C2 button. If we just click on the C2 button, you then got a lot of options. You got control, camera or other. Now if I went over to camera, you got those settings, and on other you got nothing anyway. But we're going back to control, and you can see at the bottom there, that was cruise control, and that's it. That's your C2 buttons now ready for cruise control with the Neo 2. So should we try it out? You can do all this even before the drone's taken off, guys. So anyway, let's get the drone up in the air. I'll put on the video as well. So the videos are on. I'll press the takeoff button, put it out there a bit. Been all fingers and thumbs me. Okay, there it goes. Right. Okay, so let's just get that gimbal lined up. I think that's because I was moving about with it. So what you need to do is move the stick forward, the right stick, and as you're doing that, you tap on the C2 button. So there it goes. So it's already been connected. So the drone's going off on its mission. Now what I would suggest, guys, is going over to SIN mode. Now I think by doing SIN mode, it's enabled the cruise button, so you got to remember that. So anyway, I've got it in SIM. I should have shown you the SIM mode before I'd done the cruise control button, but anyway, forward again, pressing the, so there it is. It's that easy, guys. Now you're probably thinking, well, what's the point of that? But the drone's going in a straight line, and you can do things like you can move the gimbal down as the drone's going along, so you can concentrate a little bit more what's going on the screen while the drone's just going along there. I'm just going to bring, now another good thing, we can just pause by pressing the pause button. We can stop that. The cruise control's been disabled, but what we can do, we can realign up the drone a bit. Let's bring it up a bit more. Okay, because what I wanted to do is show you some of the things that you can do. Okay, I think that's about right. Okay, so we move the drone forward again. C2 button's been done. You can, with the left stick, you can make the drone go up, you can make the drone go down, you can change the direction, because it is another one. We're going over the top of this. This is an old windmill, believe it or not. So we're just going over the top of that.
Battery level is low.
And just as I do that,
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
another good test to see what happens when you get a low battery when you're doing cruise control. Obviously what it's done, it's taken you out of cruise control and it's coming back to me. Bring that forward, put on the C2 button. Okay, it's doing it now. I mean, what I like about this, you can, I'm just going over the tower now, just over the top. Now it looks pretty close, but I think you can see on the video the drone was probably about 3 or 4 foot off that. Okay, so there's another thing I was doing. See, I've got the cross keys on there. So you can get quite close to things, but you're paying more attention on what the drone's up to and not trying to rely on the obstacle avoidance, say. Not get too close to it. And it should stop. Okay, so it's gone past it. Because I got that bypass on, that's why. Anyway, I'm going to press the button to come out of cruise control. That's done. Drone will stop. I'm going to press return to home. And we'll have a quick chat, guys. I'll put my hand out. And that's stopped. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It's just a quick video really, guys, just to show you how to use, well, how to set up cruise control and then how to use cruise control. It'd be great to hear if you use cruise control already, or you didn't even know about cruise control on this little contraption, the Neo 2. But as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming away sooner.